Hello everyone, welcome to the world of competition. Here you can get anything related to MBA. So my name is Amit Anand. I am your educator. I teach quantitative aptitude and LRDI. So today I am going to announce a new CAT batch for you, especially for CAT 2022 students. Here I will provide many types of things in CAT material. So I will not give you a bundle of book. I will give you assignment and fixed assignment. Except it, you have to do nothing. If you solve my assignment, then you will be crack the CAT examination or JET examination easily. Because in my assignment, all the last 10 years previous paper from the CAT, JET, IFT and MetaSnap, all previous question are included. Apart from it, there are many types of new types of question are included, where CAT didn't ask these types of questions, but in maybe future CAT will ask these types of questions related to SSC exam, related to NMT exam, many types of examination. So if you solve this question in conceptual, then you will be clear any types of examination. Whatever topic I will be discussed in briefly. Start with the concept. I will give you a concept, and after that there is no any trick of the question. If your concept is good, then you will be solve the question in easily good. So it's a very beneficial for you. I will teach you quantitative aptitude and LRDI section, and you know that this year LRDI section is not so much tough, but somewhere it's tricky. But you have to crack, solve that question if your basic is clear. So LRDI is somewhere your thinking level. If your thinking level is higher, you think different types of logical thinking. If you see the any types of picture, and you will be make the many types of picture from that picture, and you see many types of things. So that's the types of reasoning. Reasoning is all about your thinking power, and mathematics is also, but mathematics is a conceptual concept. Means that if you know about the profit loss, if you know about the percentage, then you will solve easily percentage chapter. But in LRDI section, you have to do conceptual clarity in a deeply way. Then you can solve the LRDI section. So I will not say more and more, because many types of teachers are coming on YouTube, and they tell us I will provide you that types and I will provide that type of things. I am a new young teacher, and I am going to initiate my institute. I gave a many result in 2020. So if you have a dare to crack the CAT, then come and join and see the difference from the other institute, what actually I provide and what other institute provide. You will be clarified when you come my institute. And if you want to demo, then contact me on my given number. So you will be justified yourself that where you belong and which institute is good for you and which is not good for you. Then you join any academy, and after that, don't if you're interested in any other institute, you may also join. That's no problem. But firstly, before joining any institute, see the syllabus of that CAT. What CAT actually asked in the last 10 years papers. If these types of questions are discussing in your classroom, then it is good for you. But if it is not discussing in classroom, then it is not good for you. Main purpose is that if you solve the percentage chapter, then you have to must be solve the previous percentage chapter from the CAT, JET, IFT and SNAP examination. If you solve that question, then you are on the right way. If you don't solve the question, then you are on the wrong way. So firstly decide yourself, because it's 1 year. You will be give your 1 year time. You will not think about your money. If your money is gone, then it will come after 1 year, 2 years. But if your time is gone, it will never come. Because time is precious than money. So take care of yourself and take care of your time. Because in the minimum time, if you can crack any examination, then your chances in the further process is very high. So start your preparation, and thank you so very much. If any query, send me message and you may contact me on my given number. Thank you.